up, everybody? My name is Seyi Shay. Welcome to the wonderful world of Shay. You are watching The Drop. Stay tuned.
What's up, everybody? This is The Drop, where we give you the biggest exclusives with your biggest stars. We're talking about worldwide, hottest music, singles, albums, right here on The Drop. It's Illy, and I've got with me the most beautiful Seyi Shay.
I'm fine.
Just
It's hot in here, right?
Come off the jacket.
Right? Actually, no, but then you were sporting.
Yeah. So this just looks so cool.
Right, thank you.
Talking about stuff that is so cool, the EP
Thanks.
is awesome.
Oh, thank you.
So I like how you turn a let me go français, a blondaire into a whole project.
Yeah.
So if you guys are not social, then you probably don't know what we're talking about. So we're talking about
Electric package.
electric.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
you know,
So rewind to that skit and come back to real life.
right?
Yeah. So how amazing was that?
It was cool. I just turned lemons into lemonade, you know, around the day. Everybody was making fun of me because of that interview I did. Somebody asked what does EP mean in music terms. I said electric package. Ha ha ha. Everybody had a laugh, and I said, well, you know what? I'm gonna make my EP electric package. I'm gonna call it electric package. And, I don't know. It worked because it stuck. You know, and I did 6 great records and shot a couple videos from it, and you know, I'm still pushing it on the side. But I really wanted to. It was more my team or my management's idea to do the whole indigenous sounding project, which is cool, you know, because I love that. My vibe is mainly that murder right now, kind of like a crossover sound, right? I'm not trying to be somebody I'm not, but I enjoyed making Alele with Flavor and Surrender with Kiss Daniel.
Yes.
I enjoyed stuff like that. So it was
Super. Well, I
It was a side project.
total music. Like, I like the fact that, you know, you just went hard and said, you guys make fun of me, I'm adorable, why? And you said, you know, I'm going to give you guys a whole package, a whole new EP, and just give you guys great music to flip it around.
Right.
And talking about great music is still coming. The new single, you're in Runtown.
Mm-hmm.
Give me love.
So Give Me Love.
Give Me Love, baby.
Yeah, man. Give Me Love featuring Runtown, produced by the one and only Saz. So first of all, I adore Saz. I adore Runtown. Runtown has never, you know, done a collaboration with a female before, so I felt like
Exclusive!
yeah. So I felt like you know me. I like to do things differently. When everyone's kind of going down this one line, I like to go you know, because I mean it's fun doing that, right? It's fun doing that, and I guess Give Me Love is just one of those records that I guess just has all the right ingredients. Catchy hook, really no-brainer lyrics, just from the heart, really, and the right collaborations, and you know, everybody's already singing it. Like you hear it once and you start singing it straight away, and people are already saying it's like the new Nigerian anthem. I hope.
Yeah, but it's just a dream team.
Yeah.
You've got stars on the production, awesome. Runtown has that his own little vibe, it's a bit laid back. You have the awesome vocals.
Thank you.
3 in 1.
Thank you.
TKO.
Thank you so much.
That right there is smash.
Give me love, oh, give me love, oh, give me love.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your favorite girl, Seyi Shay, aka African Barbie. You can now stream my new single, Give Me Love, featuring Runtown, produced by Saz, on Habari.
Give me love, oh, baby, give me, make I calm down. Give me love.
I always sing from my soul. I always write freestyling. I never pen anything down. Anytime anything is penned is when I have a co-writer with me in the studio. So Give Me Love was fully freestyle, you know.
Write something about us, special.
I could definitely.
Right here on The Drop.
I could. Sexy lecture.
Ooh, sexy lecture.
But definitely from here on out, it's gonna be more of me and just kind of like people getting to know me and my music and my sound.
There we go. So if you want to hear more about Seyi Shay, stream right now. Give Me Love, featuring Runtown, produced by Sars.
And another song, sorry, that somebody reminded me of this morning, Your Matter featuring Eugene.
Yes,
That's
a
it,
heavy record.
banger. That's it, you know. But I think when I released that just over a year ago now, I don't think we were on that page yet, yeah. So, but definitely people are just now discovering Your Matter and banging it out in the clubs. I'm like, this is 2 years old, guys. But it's good. I'm happy.
When it's a
I'm
heavy
happy.
record,
That's
it's a heavy
also
record.
my line. That's my lane.
Yeah.
It's the same lane.
Same
Your
thing.
Matter, Gimme Love, you know, Murder. It's the same vein. I feel great being in this space, in this place, so, you know.
And she's rhyming right here. To check out more from Seyi Shay, check it out right now on Habari by GT Bank. You can find all these songs and more. Plus, guys, it's free. And she has some more music coming through. It's going to be exclusive to Habari. It's Illy. This is The Drop, the beautiful Seyi Shay.
Pull up, show up, and handle business.